Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit a double-sided PNG file in Canva. So just go to canva.com in any web browser, and I'm going to click the Create a Design button, and then I'll click the plus icon that says Custom Size underneath it. And I'm just going to enter 3600 for the width and 2400 pixels for the height. Then I'll click Create New Design. And then I want to click the Uploads button on the left-hand side, and then click Upload Files to upload the PNG file we want to use. But I already uploaded it, so then I'm just going to click Cancel, otherwise you click Open. And once it uploads, it shows up on the left-hand side in your Uploads, so I'll just click on the PNG file to add it to the page. Now if you make it the full page size, you'll see that it doesn't give us the option to move anything behind it anymore. So if that happens to you where it attaches itself to the background, which is something that Canva likes to automatically do, just right click on the image or hold down the Control key while clicking on the image and then select Detach Image from Background. This time I'm just going to click and drag the corner, and I want to make it slightly smaller than the page size. Now if you need to change the background color of the page, say to match with your website background color or something, you can just click in this white space on the page and then click the background color button and change the background color with these default colors. Now I just want to add the design to this mockup. So you would click Upload Files and then find your designs off your computer. But I already uploaded them, so I'm just going to click the images and add them to the page. I want them to be slightly larger than the transparent area. Alright, once I've got them about right, I'm just going to click Position and then Backward to send it to the back. And you'll see how we want this to stay behind this ornament, but it's kind of overlapping the second ornament. So to fix that, I just want to crop it. So I'm going to click and drag this little side here to crop it so it doesn't show up in the second ornament. And then I'm going to click on the design for the back side and add that to the page. Then click the corner again to resize it. I want to make sure it covers the entire ornament. Then I'm going to click Position again and then Backward. You'll see we have the same problem where it overlaps, so we want to crop that too, just by clicking and dragging the side here. And there you go. Now you're all done adding your designs to the transparent PNG file. And when you purchase PNG files, make sure that the area where you want to add your design is the transparent area. So I've seen sometimes where, the background is actually what's transparent, which would work great if you're adding a background. But then if you wanted to add your design and the area you wanted to add it to is white, you wouldn't be able to do this. So just, check all the files you buy and make sure that the transparent area is where the design goes. And this particular mock-up is actually for sale right now for just $1 through November 30th of 2022. You can get it at designbundles.net/melissa-b-mockups. And there are also a few other mockups that are available for $1. And if you see something here that you want that isn't on sale for $1, there's also a 20% off sale at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. Thank you and have a great day.